Welcome students. This is our third video of History of Novel. In this video, we will discuss about differences in novel, their definition and features of novels, and we will also discuss about elements of novel. Novel is derived from Italian word novella, novelli and novella. These novels have two types. First is novelli and the second one is novella. If you look at these two spellings, first spelling is Novelle and the another spelling is Novella. Pronunciation of these two novels are same, but there is a difference in spelling. Now, novelli. Novelli, it is a type of a prose fiction. It is shorter than full-length novel. It is a type of prose fiction and it is a shorter than full-length novel. And the novella is a full-length novel. It describes all the things in that novel. Novelli. Definition of novelli is it is a type of a prose fiction which is shorter than full-length novel and longer than short stories. Of novel. Now let us discuss about features of novel. First is it should be well structured, short narrative, satiric or realistic in tone. It should focus on one incident or issue with one or more character and takes place at single tradition. Well structured. This means that it should include time, place, nature, people and their minds. Short narrative. It should be presented in a short manner. Realistic in tone means it should give real life experiences. Satiric tone. Satiric means end of the story may be different than expected by the reader. For example, reader may expect that novel ends with happy ending but novel ends with tragedy, or reader expect that novel will end with tragedy but it has happy ending. Novel focuses on one incident or issue with one or more example. Novel focuses on one incident or issue throughout the novel. Only main characters are introduced throughout the novel and minor characters introduces only if it is required. Next, single tradition means if there is a historical, then only historic elements should be there. Here are some examples of famous novel and their novelist. First is The Heart of Darkness. The Heart of Darkness, written by Joseph Conrad. The Turn of the Screw, written by Henry James. Billy Budd, Herman Melville. Death in Venice, Thomas Mann. Seize of the Day, Saul Bellow. Pearl, John Steinbeck. Question may be asked in the question paper like match the pair, write a note on novelli, or will ask novel and the author of the novel. Now we will discuss another type of novel, that is novella. What are the elements of novel? Elements of novels are theme, plot, character, setting, conflict, language or style. Theme of novel. Theme is the central idea in the novel which can be expressed in a nutshell. It is a philosophical statement or a truth which the writer has put forth through the narration of the series of events in the story and characters acting in the particular setting. Theme Theme means it is a central idea, it is an important idea. It is expressed in nutshell. Nutshell means in short. The story is expressed in a short manner. It is also a philosophical statement or a put truth forth. It means it may be a universal truth or truth about something by the author. Narrated by narration of series of events means it is narrated in the series of events and characters acting in the particular setting. Characters act in a particular setting. Second element of novel is plot. Plot is essentially the story or the course of events that make up the theme. It is created by the conflict, either internal or external. Plot may be simple or complex. Plot means it is a story or a course of event. It is created either by internal conflict or external conflict. Internal conflict inside the mind and character. These plots may be simple or complex. Simple plot means only one story, and the complex story is a story in which different stories are included in a single story. Because of this, novel becomes lengthy. Next element of novel is characterization. It is related to the plot as the course of events take place because of the certain behavior of the character. It is related to plot. Important characters are present throughout the novels. Minor or less important characters see action of the main character throughout the novel. Minor characters observe the activities of main character. Again, there is a difference between protagonist and antagonist. Protagonist means hero. Here, conflict of hero is shown in novel. Protagonist is antagonist, antagonist is a villain. There is a conflict with arrangement also. It can be entity or a force. The next element of novel is setting. Setting is a background in which the story takes place. There are several aspects of setting, such as place, time, climate, and lifestyle. Due to setting, plot get affected. Due to setting, characters also get affected. Different types of setting involved in the novel as per the requirements of the novel. The next element of novel is conflict. There is a struggle between two opposite forces. Means there is a struggle between protagonist and antagonist. This conflict provides interest about the plot. Due to this conflict, novel become interesting. It also develops curiosity about the plot. Now, the next element of novel is language or style. The language and the technique used by the author for the narration of the course of event is known as style. All these factors decide the texture of the narration and create an impact on the reader. Language used by the author to narrate a story creates impact on the minds of the reader. Author uses extensive vocabulary and phrases, and these linguistic devices helps the reader to decide the texture of the narration and create impact on the reader.